taríir tá orm Ospidéal an Chlocháin a ardú a rís, tá sé ardé go minic agus tá sé fóstúnta. Taoiseach, I'm raising the Clifden Hospital again. I know Minister Butler has done her best in relation to this, but I really want to, if the Taoiseach could answer, because I've raised it so often, and despite her best efforts, it remains closed. It looks like it's going to remain closed for the foreseeable future. And I come from a city where the hospital in Galway is at breaking point. Absolutely at breaking point, with beds, with trolleys everywhere. And here we have a hospital in Clifden. Here we have a hospital in Clifden that's closed inexplicably, with different reasons given depending on who's, and the worst reason given was no demand. So could you please enlighten me when it's going to open, please?
Thank you, Deputy. Taoiseach.
Cahir, thanks to Deputy Connolly. And sorry, just consulting with Minister Butler in real time on this issue, and I thank you for the acknowledgement of her work. We very much accept and appreciate, the Minister and myself, that there is a demand in relation to this. So that excuse, insofar as it is one, doesn't fly. There is a demand in relation to this. My understanding is that there is a derogation in relation to staffing as well, and the Minister is actively working on it, and I'll certainly lend my support in any way that I can to help.